Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. Either way, I'm so excited to have you guys here with me today. Today, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be giving my refrigerator a much needed clean. It has been a few months since I have actually cleaned my refrigerator, and I don't normally go this long, but it definitely needs it. As you guys can tell, just like some things are just thrown in there and everything's just kind of out of place, and there's like literally no more room for anything in here. So here I'm just going to be taking everything out of the refrigerator and setting it on the kitchen island. Not putting anything in any kind of order right now. I am just going to just set it on the island, and that way I can kind of go through, get rid of some expired foods, throw some things away, and just kind of see what we have so I can kind of find a place for it in the refrigerator. For those of you that are new here, I just want to kind of introduce myself. My name is Allysia. Some of you guys know me as Miss Bape, and I'll get into that in just a second. I am a wife and a mother of two girls. We are a homeschooling family. I am a streamer over on Facebook Gaming and also on Twitch. And I have a small business where I make t-shirts like the one that I have on right now, and I make like lip gloss and beauty products, bath bombs, body butters, all sorts of things. So if you're ever interested in anything like that, or ever want to see any of my products, please let me know and I can hook you guys up with that. Also, I will just get into the name Miss Bape. That is the name that I use to stream. So if you ever hear me talk about Miss Bape or see it on my shirts, that's where that name came from. Okay, so here is everything, all of the stuff that was in my little bitty refrigerator. I can't even believe that all this stuff is in there. Also, do any of you guys kids leave open water bottles in the refrigerator, or is it just mine? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Alright, so now that everything is empty, I did just leave the water in there. No point in taking it all out. Look at the crumbs in the drawers. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe down. Not going to do any kind of deep cleaning like I said. Just going to wipe it down, and then we're going to put all this stuff right back in it. This is what I'm using to clean, and just using that in a microfiber cloth. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give this video a like for me. It really just helps me with my channel. Leave me a comment down below because I love getting to know you guys. I like to know who my community of people are. And if you are new here, like I said in the beginning, welcome. I hope that you guys would consider subscribing. So here's my trash bag to throw away some things. I guess I was excited to throw some things away. But I'm gonna start putting everything back in again and not really putting anything in too much of an order. I know where everything goes in my refrigerator, so that's just what I'm doing, just putting everything back in its place. The trash bag, like I said before, was for expired foods or just old food that needs to be thrown away. Also, don't come for me for my whipped cream. You're going to see I have 4 bottles of whipped cream, and that is because we put that on our coffee. So we have 3 coffee drinkers in my house. Me, my husband, and my oldest daughter enjoys coffee as well, and we all like to put a little whipped cream on top. All right, so here is the final product. Everything is back in the refrigerator. Everything is nice and neat and in its place. You guys saw my whipped cream. Don't come for me for my whipped cream. Um, but all like the condiments and things on the side, everything up in the refrigerator. Middle has like juices. That's an LED light. I think I got it from like Big Lots or something, just to have an extra light in the refrigerator. We got some fruit and stuff, and then in that drawer is lunch meat and some string cheese and hot links and a bag of chicken for salads, things like that. That's some carrots. And then in here is just some snacks, some pudding, some yogurt, applesauce, Lunchables. That bottom has water. But that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you guys are new, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.